Before to do anything, make sure to switch the breaker related to your smoke detector to off. Then, remove the old detector by simply unscrew it. You might find two screws that attach the bracket to the sealing box. Unscrew them. Then, with that tool, I make sure there is no electricity in those wires. You can order one for yourself from the link in the description. It's not that expensive. At least, it's less expensive than an electrician. Remove the bracket and be careful not to touch the ceiling with your finger. It's not washable. Now we have to remove those twist-on wires to get rid of that adapter. That one is the one coming with the Nest Protect. Set the white on the white and the black on the black. Nests do not have ground wire, so keep the wire left with the twist-on wire on. Carefully put all the cabling inside the electrical box and make sure that no nude wire touch anything. That could be dangerous. Insert the new bracket, and you can fix it with the same screw you removed earlier. Connect the wire to the Nest Protect. Place it on the bracket and screw it. You may realize that I make it look easy. It's because I have installed a lot of them. You may have a lot of fun. Now power back on the breaker and proceed to a test by pressing the button.
Ready in the hallway. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Just a moment. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!